Hello, and welcome to our free AI course where we'll show you how to easily connect to your Shopify store and to start making enhancements and adding features. We'll be using the all-powerful Cursor AI software where it'll do almost everything for you and you don't have to write a single line of code. You also don't need any prior coding experience, so you can get started today. The only thing you really need to be familiar with is using Shopify theme customize on adding sections, dragging things around, and making those changes. And in addition to that, it will be helpful to take a look at the Shopify theme architecture and liquid reference docs. And the theme architecture basically controls the structure and features of your store. And the liquid is the template language created by Shopify. And again, you don't need to have any coding experience, but we'll also show you how to feed these documentation into Cursor so at any time you can ask any question in plain English and it'll explain to you clearly what files are doing, what changes are happening, and more. And then finally, if you want to go a step further to have a little bit more familiarity around HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can do a Google search for MDN for Mozilla's documentation. And again, you can glance over with HTML for the markup, CSS for the styling, and then JavaScript is for adding a little bit of functionality. And again, you don't need to know this information. It just simply could help you in prompting, as well as if you need stuff explained, you can just ask AI and it'll tell you exactly what you need to know. All right, let's get started and we'll see you in the first lesson.